Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Tuesday, October 22nd. U.S. non-farm payrolls are due out today, almost 2 weeks late due to the U.S. government shutdown. The data is expected to show that job growth increased in September before political squabbling began to drag on the economy in October. Investors will have to wait for October's data for a clearer picture of the damage caused by the shutdown. The relationship between the U.S. and Saudi Arabia has slowly been eroding as the two disagree on policy in Iran, Syria, and Egypt. On Friday, Saudi Arabia elected not to take a seat on the UN Security Council, and over the weekend, Saudi Arabia's intelligence chief said he plans not to continue cooperating with the US in arming and training Syrian rebels. On Tuesday, Australia's freshly elected Conservative government announced plans to raise the debt limit by 500 billion Australian dollars. The decision was widely expected and had a minimal impact on Australian markets. JP Morgan is nearing a settlement with the Justice Department in which the bank will have to pay $13 billion in fines. However, it won't be penalized for problems with Washington Mutual or Bear Stearns, both of which the company acquired during the financial crisis. As part of a global probe into currency market manipulation, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission has asked big banks to look through their records for evidence of foul play and hand them over. Several large banks, including Deutsche Bank, have spent millions searching through trader emails and chats for keywords and phrases that could implicate them. Asian markets were mixed on Tuesday. The Japanese Nikkei was up by 0.13%, but China's Shanghai Composite was down by 0.89%. The Shenzhen Composite was down by 1.03%, and the Hang Seng Index was down by 0.49%. New Zealand's NZ50 was up by 0.61%. European markets were quiet on Tuesday. The UK's FTSE was up by 0.10%, and the Eurozone Stoxx 600 was down by 0.05%. The Spanish IBEX was down by 0.39%, and the German DAX lost 0.09%. In commodity markets, energy futures were mixed, with Brent futures up 0.11% and WTI futures down by 0.23%. Gold gained 0.08%, but silver was down by 0.46%. In currency markets, the euro was steady against the dollar, but the pound gained 0.14% against the American currency. The yen lost 0.07% against the dollar, and the Australian dollar gained 0.11% against the greenback. Notable earnings releases on Tuesday include the Travelers Company, Lockheed Martin, United Technologies, and Delta Airlines. Delayed U.S. non-farm payrolls will be the most anticipated economic release on Tuesday. However, other notable economic releases include Canadian retail sales, Australian CPI, and the U.S. unemployment rate. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, wishing all of you good luck on your Tuesday trades.